Hello and welcome back to our creative corner. Today we are diving into the world of CorkCraft, simple, eco-friendly and incredibly versatile DIY projects you can do right at homes. Whether it's bottle cork, safe from the kitchen, and or cork sheets you have can collected. These little pieces can be transformed into beautiful home decor, homemade gifts, and even mindful craft therapy. So grab your corks, some glue, and a sprinkle of creativity. Let's begin. Cork is natural material, lightweight, soft to touch, and completely eco-friendly. It comes mainly from wine bottles, jars, or cork boards. And instead of throwing it away, we can recycle it into something useful. Cork is easy to cut, shape, and paint, which makes it perfect for beginners, kids, and even experienced crafters. Plus, it brings a rustic and earthy aesthetic that suits both modern and traditional homes. Now, let's explore some easy and fun cork craft project. Cork coasters and travel glue a set of corks together into a square or ground shape, and you will have durable heat resistance coaster perfect for your coffee table. Mini cork planters. Hollow out the middle of the cork, add a little soil, and plant it a tiny succulent. These make cute table decoration or thoughtful handmade gifts. Cork keychains. Attach a small hook or rings to corks and decorate them with paint or beads. Lightweight and creative, these are easy to make and fun to gift. Cork jewelry. Cut cork sheets into shapes, paint them with acrylic colors, and turn them into earrings, bracelet, or pendants. Sustainable fashion as its best. Cork wreaths. Collect a bunch of corks, glue them in a circle, and decorate with jute ribbons or flowers. This makes a stunning door or wall hanging for holiday. If you love experimenting, try these advanced ideas. Cork wall decor. Cover a plain board with cork in a pattern. You can make a mosaic, a world map, or even a photo pin board. Bottle art with corks. Decorate old bottles by sticking cork pieces on them, creating rustic vases or candle holders. Cork sculptures. Stack and glue corks together to build miniature houses, animals, and geometric shapes. These crafts don't just look great, they are conversation starters and show off your creativity. Now let's talk about the benefits of cork crafting: eco-friendly, budget-friendly, creative and versatile, mindfulness and stress relief, and handmade gifting. So now let's talk about eco-friendly. Instead of throwing away corks, you recycle them into beautiful creations. Most corks come free with bottles, so the cost is almost nothing. Cork can be cut, painted, and shaped into endless designs. The process of creating helps calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve focus. CorkCraft makes thoughtful rustic gifts full of love and personal touch. Cork crafts are not just for fun, they can also become a small business opportunity. Handmade cork coasters, jewelry, and decorative wreath sell really well in make markets and online platforms. Since they are eco-friendly and trendy, people love buying them and sustainable gifts. So, what do you think about these are ideas? These ideas are useful. I think this is very useful ideas. So that's the beauty. That's the beauty of cork crafting. This is eco-friendly, sustainable, durability, creative, budget-friendly, and mindful. Start a small experiment with designs, and soon you will find yourself surrounded by beautiful handmade creations. If you enjoyed these ideas, if you liked the video, if these designs are useful for you, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Creative DIY inspiration. Thank you for watching and happy crafting. We are showing you that amazing ideas because you are much creative who wants to create something. So CorkCraft Basic Cork is natural material, lightweight, soft to touch and completely eco-friendly. It comes mainly from wine bottles, jars and cork boards. And instead of throwing it away, you can recycle it into something useful. Cork is easy to cut, shape and paint, which makes it perfect for beginners, kids and even experienced crafters. Plus it brings a rustic and earthy aesthetic that suits both modern and traditional homes. So now we have explored some easy and fun cork crafts projects. Hope you enjoying these designs and ideas because we try and show you the best and beautiful ideas and your response is amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today.